So if you are experiencing significant hip pain and it is, changing the way you live your life, there are a lot of different options. We all hear about hip replacement. However, a lesser known option that exists would be hip arthroscopy. Most patients come in, they know someone who's had their knee scoped. Not a lot of people know folks that have had their hip scoped, but for a lot of folks in the community, hip scopes might be an option, and an arthroscopic procedure through small, minimally invasive entry points where we use a camera and go in there and clean things up, repair some of the soft tissues. That's an excellent option for a lot of individuals, especially those that are younger, and we're trying to preserve the joint. Joint preservation is a huge part of what we do. The last thing any surgeon wants to do is replace the joint. That is a end game, if you will, and it's an excellent one, but we try to do everything we can to preserve the joint before we get there.